Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So after a long summer break, I'm here back and I am here with a full new update for Aimogen. And go ahead guys, update it because I just released the update today. So in this latest version you will be able to benefit of the chatbot streaming, of the response streaming feature, which is a great thing to have. So go ahead guys and update. To enable this feature, go to AI chatbot, enable chatbot instant responses settings from the chatbot settings tab and set this to response streaming. So let me explain what this is. So this will actually show the responses of the chatbot in real time, word by word, as they are generated by the AI writer, similar to ChatGPT, like it is in ChatGPT's interface, as it will show the words word by word. So until now, the chatbot was able to show the message only after it was fully generated by the AI, and this could have taken a lot of time to fully process, especially if the response was longer. However, this issue is now solved in the response streaming functionality, so you will be able to go ahead and enable this functionality for the chatbot. It will be able to stream the responses in the time when words are generated by the AI. The chatbot is also able to show these words. So these three options are now possible. So the instant response is that I explained already. So the AI will show the full response, but only when the full response will be generated by the AI. Response streaming means that it will show word by word and it will show the words like ChatGPT. Or typewriter effect, this is actually a fake response streaming effect only. It will show a typewriter effect after the entire response is generated. So this will be slower, as it will wait for the entire response to be generated, and afterwards it will show a typewriter effect which will be writing the response of the chatbot. So let me show you these three in action, and let's start with the instant response, as this is the older functionality and we can compare to the newer functionality. So let's ask the chatbot, so it will count to 50. Let's check also what model we are using. So we are using ChatGPT model, the GPT 3.5 Turbo, and with instant message responses. So we ask it to count to 50, and when it hits 5 we will submit our message, and let's see how many seconds it takes for the message to get back to us. So it was around 7 seconds to process the response. So this appeared in around 7 seconds. Now let's set this to response streaming and let's save settings, and let me show you how this will be different from the previous one. So once again, let's write count to 50, and let's also hit when it's 45. Okay, so when it's 45, bang, we hit it, and the response is appearing in real time right after the submit button was clicked, and the words are appearing really fast. So you will see that the response to be generated fully will take like 7 seconds like before. However, the response will start to be appearing much faster, especially in the case of long responses. So if you have a very long response, the user will not have to wait until the entire response is generated, but the response streaming will show word by word the chatbot's response. So now let's set this to typewriter effect just to show you how this will work. Count to 50, and we will once again have to wait until the entire response is generated, and afterwards this little typewriter effect will be shown to the user. So you will be able to see the difference here. Okay, so I recommend that you enable the response streaming functionality, as this will be benefiting in increased speed, and also if you are using slower models. So let's set this to GPT-4 for example, and we will be able to refresh now and use GPT-4 to count to 50. And as you can see, GPT-4 counts really slow, and the user would have been needed to wait until the counting is done from GPT's 4's part, which takes a lot of time. So he would have seen the message only now when it is finished. But with response streaming, this is possible real fast, and he will see the messages appear in real time. The words and the responses appear in real time. Okay, so yeah, this is how it will work. Go ahead guys and check Aimogen, it is linked in this video's description. The response streaming can be enabled from AI chatbot menu, chatbot settings, and enable chatbot instant responses. Set this to response streaming. Keep in mind that this is still a new feature and it is not fully tested with all the other functionality of the Aimogen plugin, because Aimogen is really a complex plugin and it has many functionalities. So if you find issues or find anything that it is not working on your part, let me know in the comments of this video or send me an email to my email address and I will help. Also, if you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. I will be glad to read and respond to them. Like, share, subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. This is all for today. If you have ideas, let me know. It is really important to you guys to tell me what you think about Aimogen. This is all for today. I hope you enjoy my videos. Bye bye.